Today I Palak Rahal from Amrit Indo-Canadian Academy studying in +1 Medical. This is my video assignment for subject chemistry in which I discuss about molarity, molality and mole fraction. So at first I discuss molarity, which is one of the most widely used unit of concentration and it is denoted by capital M. Molarity is defined as the number of moles of solute per liter of solution. So the formula derived from this is molarity is number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution, which is in liter, and volume is directly depend on temperature. In molality, this formula also helps us to calculate the number of moles where N, which is mole, is equal to molarity into volume. Secondly, I discuss molality. It is defined as moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent. It is denoted by small m. So to calculate molality, molality equals to N divided by W, where N is number of moles of solute divided by weight of mass of solvent in kg. Unit of molality is moles per kg. So, if we talk about the major difference between the molarity and molality is that molarity is a measurement of the moles in the total volume of the solution, whereas molality is a measurement of the moles in relationship to the mass of the solvent. Mole fraction. Mole means amount of substance. Mole fraction is denoted by capital X. The mole fraction of molar fraction is defined as the amount of a constant mole divided by all the total amount of all constituents in a mixture. In this, there is solute and solvent. So to calculate mole fraction of solute is moles of solute divided by the total mass of solution. And to calculate the mole fraction of solvent is mole of solvent divided by the total mass of solution. The property of mole fraction is mole fraction of solute plus mole fraction of solvent equals to 1. So let's discuss about the derivation. Molar fraction of solute plus molar fraction of solvent equals to 1. To derive this, firstly recall the formula of solute and solvent. Solute equals to number of moles of solute upon total mass of solution. Moles of solute denoted by N of bullet A and total mass of solution denoted by N of solution A plus N of solution B. Solvent equals to number of moles of solvent divided by the total mass of solution. Number of moles of solvent is denoted by N of bullet B and the total mass of solution denoted by N of bullet A plus N of bullet B. Put the value of molar fraction of solute and solvent in X of bullet A and X of bullet B. Then take a LCM and solve it. Now left hand side equals to right hand side. Now let's recall what we have done.